Hi, I'm going to do a nice little mod today in the back of the van. Got two cargo nuts off eBay, tenner each. They have some fittings and they can just hoop over, and it's going to be quite a nice little simple job. It'll stop basically things falling out when you open the barn doors at the back, which happens to me a lot. So nice easy mod, shouldn't take many minutes, but should be quite effective. Yeah. So basically, whenever you open the barn doors, my water, 10 litre water spare one's always dropping out. So I'm going to basically bought one of these for the top and one for the bottom. Right, so these cargo net holders, I'm going to basically, they're adhesive. I'm going to screw them on as well. I'm going to put one right down the bottom there. Go up. Put one there and then some up to the top of there. Now these are so on the cargo net, they just like loop over like that, so easy to take in, easy to take out, and then like that, and it will basically just create a barrier there and create a barrier there over this bit to stop stuff dropping out when you open the barn doors, because that is forever happening with me. That's those four on that side, they're the easy four. Yeah. Obviously on this side I'm going to have to put them on the reverse now and actually drill through the metal, so this side's going to take a little bit longer, but hopefully should get there. Down the bottom here I think I'm just going to make some attachments and use the actual other optional clips that you get with it, and clip something on down there, but we'll have a look and see what we can do. I'll get the bottom one done now, and then just work out how I'm going to get down there to get the drill in, but also something, get those two in, and then I'll put it together so we can just do a demo and see how well that all works. That's those two in down there now, so I can put this bottom one back together and then we'll give it a test. Yeah, that's that put back together now. So basically when you travel anywhere, you've got the whole rear area now that can be loaded up, and when you open the barn doors you know you're not going to get loads of stuff just falling out. I say this was forever falling out, but now that should just keep it in now. So I've just put some pillars for example, but you could get duvet and everything in here, you know, and I say I've kept it purposely low so it's not blocking any visibility what you do get out of the back window. Not that you get loads, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. And they say it's nice and neat, and you can literally whip that off in seconds and pack it away. So yeah, very handy, great for travelling now. I can put my rucksack and everything in there and know that I'm going to open the rear doors and it's not going to fall out on the floor and smash the camera or anything. So very happy with that. The nice thing about this is that it only goes up this fixing bar here, so that you can still get in to the side compartment without having to remove everything. So that's keeping it nice and neat.